Hello YouTube. Now then, this week we've been doing lots of work so far on showing times at o'clock and at past, but today we're going to move on to having a go at showing past. So before we do that, let's warm our brains up. So grab your clocks and we're going to have a go first at showing 6 o'clock. I'm not going to do it on my clock yet, so if you have a go at putting your clock to 6 o'clock. Remember what number the big hand needs to be pointing at when it's o'clock and where the small hand needs to be. Okay, have you done it? Okay, so the big hand needs to be pointing at the number 12. That's it. Is our clock going to go? And it's 6 o'clock, so small hand needs to be pointing at the 6. That's right. Mine's moving about. Okay, is that what yours look like? Yep, Diane. This time, have a go at putting your clock to 3:30. So have a think what number your clock needs to point to show past. Okay, have you done it? Okay, so your big hand should be pointing at the number 6 because it's 30 minutes. And 3:30. So small hand is pointing to the number 3. And it's 30:30, so it's halfway between the 3 and 4. Because it's past it. Did yours look like that? Excellent, well done. Now then, we're going to look at past today. So let's have a look at this together first, and then I'll put one up for you to have a little go at. So we've got 9:15. I wonder, does anybody know, tell the grown up with you, what number would the big hand need to be pointing to when it's past? That's it, it's the number 3, because that means it's 15 minutes past, so that's past. Okay, so we've got 9:15. So we know a big hand needs to be pointing on the number 3. And it's 9:15. So the small hand needs to be pointing at the number 9. Okay. So I'd like you to have a little go now at putting your clock to 6:15. So have a little go. Show me 6:15. I'm not going to do it on my clock yet. Okay, let's do it together. So we've got the big hand we know's got to be pointed on the number 3, because 15:15 means 15 minutes past. And it's 6:15, so the other hand needs to be pointing to the 6. 6:15. Okay, now then, today, under this video, you'll see that there's an activity where you need to draw the hands on the clock to show the different times of past. Okay, so you can do it on the worksheet, you can do it on paper, or you can access it through Hub. I've shared the file with you. Okay, so have a little go today at past.